glasses on the table, half full, half spilled, fog rolling over pine roofs, laughter stuck in my throat, my head rings like a siren, but the sky looks brand new, taxi horns and cold air blowing last night back at you. Holiday seasons, hangover, raise that cup to the mountain air. Holiday seasons, hangover, still drunk on the days we shared. We toast to the ghosts of midnight, to the vows we almost made sober. Holiday seasons, hangover, let it hurt till the old year's over. Street dogs chase the sunrise, confetti in the gutter, glitter on our coats, your lipstick on my collar, smudge proof of every bad joke, phone lit with missed calls, fireworks ash on our shoes, we stagger up the hillside shouting, this year we break through. Hey! Holiday seasons, hangover, raise that cup to the mountain air. Holiday seasons, hangover, still drunk on the days we shared. Drink to the wishes we whispered, drink to the chances we blew, drink to the story